When people saw this young boy step into what looked like dirty water, they were shocked. But the truth is, the water isn't dirty at all. It's freezing cold and mixed with a liquid that burns your eyes. And he's doing this on purpose, because this is a discipline school where students pay to go through tough challenges to build strength and character. But that's not even the worst part. After making it through the icy water, they have to crawl through a maze filled with hanging electric wires that shock them every time they touch them. And just look at this guy after he finally finished the challenge.